Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English worksheet number 79 dated 2nd February 2021. The topic of today's worksheet is a chapter from the Footprints Without Feet book, chapter 8, The Hack Driver. First of all, we have been given the summary of this chapter and afterwards we have to do certain questions. Let us start with the summary. This is a story of a young lawyer who starts working with a law firm in the city after completing his graduation. He is given the job of serving summons rather than serving as a real lawyer. He does not like his job. One day, he is sent to give summons to a witness named Oliver Lutkins in a small village called New Mullion. He is happy to go to the village, but the village turns out to be dirty. On the platform, he gets talking to a cheerful man named Bill and shares to him that he needs to find Lutkins to serve his summons. Bill seems to know Lutkins well and offers to help the young lawyer find Lutkins. The young lawyer decides to rent Bill's hack for $2 per hour. Bill takes the narrator, that is young lawyer, to several places in the village to look for the Lutkins. While approaching people, Bill always goes first to inquire about Lutkins. In afternoon, Bill convinced the lawyer to buy food from his wife. They have their lunch at Wade's Hill, which the lawyer finds beautiful. By the time he has already paid Bill for 6 hours but with no success at finding Lutkins. The lawyer admires Bill's generosity and helpful nature and the simple village life. They get to know that Lutkins is at the mother's house. But rather than helping, she nearly attacks them with a hot iron rod. At last, the lawyer has to leave without serving the summons to the Lutkins. He reprimanded by his boss the next day and is sent again to New Mullion with a colleague who knows Lutkins. On reaching the station, the lawyer is surprised to see Bill talking to Lutkins' mother. But he is happy to see Bill and tells his colleague about his help in finding Lutkins. His colleague tells him that the person is Lutkins himself. The lawyer feels hurt. Lutkins and his mother have a good laugh and invite him for coffee. On the basis of above, let us discuss what happens and what are the question answers, and we should answer them. Question on the basis of your reading of this lesson, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the young lawyer hated his work? Answer to this question is, so the question number 1 is, why did the young lawyer hated his work? Answer. The young lawyer was not happy with his job because he was made to deliver summons instead of preparing legal briefs. For that task, he has to go to the dirty work and shadowy corners of the city. He also feared to being beaten up by the witness. Question 2. Why did Bill always approach people before the young lawyer could do so? Answer. Lutkins, that is Bill, act of taking the lawyer for a ride clearly indicates that he is a very cunning person. The way he tried to deal with the lawyer shows how quick he is making plans to fool people. His idea not to disclose his true identity to unknown persons show how clever he is, and it seems to be his regular practice to dupe people, especially the newcomers. As soon as the lawyer told Bill his purpose of visit to that place, Bill instantly knew how he would be befooling the lawyer. and for that he always approached the people so that his identity wouldn't be disclosed. How the hack driver described Lutkin's mother? Answer. The hack driver told the young lawyer that Lutkin's mother was quite a terror. She was 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. She has agility of a cat and could talk a lot. Oliver Lutkins must be hiding behind his mother's skirt. Question 4. Why did Lutkins and his mother invited the young lawyer for the coffee? The hack driver or Lutkins took him for the farm of Lutkin's mother. He introduced the lawyer and told her that he has come to serve the summons to Lutkins and had legal right to search the property. This was also done at the end of the story. In conclusion, you can say that when the identity of the Lutkins was disclosed to the young lawyer by his colleague, he then was invited because Lutkins now know that he has to receive the summons. Question number 5. Why does the young lawyer decide to take up the help of hack driver to find Lutkins? Answer. The lawyer is sent to the New Mullion to serve summons on a person named Oliver Lutkins, who was needed as a witness in a law case. He had expected that the place to be sweet and simple country village. The lawyer was befriended by the delivery man who introduced himself as Bill. The young lawyer felt that the cooperative attitude and kindness shown to him as real, though the hack driver Bill had to earn something out of it also. The lawyer bargained with the hack driver and has settled the $2 per hour wage to him. But this wide smile made him think that he was the one with the old friend. Bill or hack driver told him that he knew Lutkins and would help the lawyer in finding him. It took him to all the possible places where the Lutkins was seen or was known to hang out. He took the lawyer to the pet shop where Lutkins was frequent visitor, to play poker, to Guffar's barber shop, and then to Ray's barber shop, to the pool room and several other places. Finally, taking him to Oliver's mother's farm. However, so much of roaming around did not yield any results as they failed to find Oliver Lutkins. Question 6. How did the hack driver manage to earn money at the end of the day? Answer. The young lawyer hired hack driver, that is Bill, to be his guide so he can easily search Lutkins. The narrator hired Bill at $2 an hour. Bill told him that they could find Oliver at Fred's place and suggested him to remain behind him. And he also suggested him some other places to go in search of Lutkins, but it was all in vain. Though for every place they searched, Bill was given the agreed amount according to the per hour. Question 7. What trick was the hack driver playing all the time with the young lawyer? Answer. The hack driver himself is Lutkins but pretended to be Bill. He tricked the lawyer to avoid the summons to be witnessed in a case. He was the prime witness in the law case. When the lawyer was sent to him to serve the summons, he pulled him by befriending him as a hack driver who was willing to help him. He claimed to know most of the places where the hack driver Lutkins would be found. He take the lawyer all around the town, but they were unable to find Lutkins as he himself was conniving with villagers to befool young lawyer who was extremely gullible and inexperienced. He also earned money in the process as he was disguising himself to be a hack driver. Question 8. But I also enjoyed Bill's rough country opinion about his neighbors, and I scarcely care about whether I found Lutkins or not. Why do you think the young lawyer found conversation with the hack driver more interesting than his work? Answer. When the lawyer comes to the city for the first time, he is very excited and happy to meet the hack driver. In fact, the hack driver himself is Oliver Lutkins, which he did not know. The hack driver seems to be a simple countryman ready to help. The hack driver showed affectionate behavior. The hack driver left a favorable impression on the young lawyer's mind. The lawyer bargained with the hack driver and had settled for 2 hours and $1 per dollar, but his wide smile made him think that he was one old friend. Moreover, the young lawyer has been really fed up with his job as he hated his work. He thought about running away to his homeland and hometown and become a lawyer right away. He was always under the impression that the country people were honest, simple and helpful. Such impression made him gullible because he was easily befooled by the hack driver who himself was Lutkins. Lutkins come around the village by using himself as a hack driver. He did not only charge young lawyer money for the service but also subjected him to immense ridicule to his village folk and his mother. Young lawyer looked like a fool who was easily coaxed into believing that Lutkins was somewhere else. Thus, we can say that young lawyer, in the naivety of his behavior, was totally unaware about the real intentions of Lutkins, so he enjoyed his company. Question number 9. The young lawyer felt these villagers are really ready to help a stranger. Do you think he was right? Why or why not? Yes, he was under the impression that villagers are ready to help because of the earlier said question number 8. The answer 8 is accommodating this answer also, and but it was not the real case. It was not happening in reality. It was just an illusion that has been created by Bell, that is hack drive, alias Lutkins. Let us come to question number 10. Who do you find the most interesting in the story? Why? Write the character sketch of the person. Answer. I find Oliver Lutkins to be the most interesting person in the story because he has variety of characters in one personality only. Oliver Lutkins was about 40 years of age. He has red face, cheerful and thick about the middle. Oliver Lutkins, hack driver, come across as a clever person who has little consideration for others and exploit their gullible and naive behavior to his convenience. He cheated the lawyer on the pretext of helping him in locating Lutkins and thereby extracting money from him in an unfair manner. The fact that that he laughed at him the following day when the lawyer delivers him the summons shows that he lacked scruples and it is remorselessness. He seems to have little respect of law as he has disobeyed the earlier summons. But the young lawyer also depicts him as a person with a sense of humor that almost forgive him his track as practical joke. Okay, so this was your worksheet. Hope you have understood it well.